The guys that know say shift intelligently. There's probably why. This actually broke off of here, as did the bottom of this old gear that I've replaced the whole unit for. That sits on here. This synchro mesh is totally flush, as was the one on there. Interestingly, this somewhat used synchro sits with lots of space on that one. So I'll be ordering at least one, if not two synchros, just because I'm in there. So now also, these guys here, they're sitting nicely when they engage, as are these. So that should be all that's needed, is just synchro. I'm going to do the struts again, just because they look a little bit beat, knowing what they've been through. And I believe maybe I cracked that when I was diagnosing this. So I'll be doing those struts as well. And that guy, and then the shift yoke, and that's it. It's pretty cheap, pretty straightforward. Get the order going, get it built, and get it going again. All the gears are looking fancy. So really a pretty easy fix, just to kind of the labor and some cheap parts. So prices shortly.